Anyway, young master, we have a lot to teach this former skeleton, so we'll need to visit the memory vault as soon as possible.
Hey, what's...
This is inconvenient.
An explosion?
Young master, I'm sorry. Forgive me. I'm afraid I might have made a mistake.
Tomoe!
Tomoe! What happened? Stop the bleeding! All right, now, Leech, you're coming with me. We're heading to the explosion.
Yes, Master.
Young Master!
That's...
I'm actually assigned to the next shift of guiding adventurers, you know, to the Illusory City.
This belongs to that orc.
He's right over there trying to stop the humans. He's with the fragment.
This is the site of the explosion. There are traces of a mist gate. Did the explosion open the gate to Shiki? The one we opened before? I can sense it. There's an adventurer on the other side. The other two, they're definitely over here. Along with Tomoe's fragment and an orc too.
The really scary part is, people can only diffuse their consciousness in that manner when they actually die.
No way. What happened? I can ask the adventurer who entered the gate.
So that's Kuzunoha, huh?
What's this?
He seems like someone we can use.
Am I in that woman's memories?
No, please give it back.
Oh, shut up. You should be happy to be useful to a human for once in your life. You look like a nice guy, just my type. What are the humans doing?
Good night, little piggy! What's wrong? Are you okay? Stop it now! Those are for disposal!
Let go, dummy human! Now let's have a look. Oh yes, this beauty was meant for humans.
Hey! Hands off those! They're not safe!
Hayato, don't do anything reckless! Stay back, you filthy animal! No! Wall of water!